Jai Srimanarayana. 140th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Chaturvyuhaya Namaha. Ho Srimanarayana, you are the one who is there in 4 forms like Vasudeva, Sankarshana, Pradyumna, Aniruddha, and you are the one who takes care of Srushti, Sthiti, Laya, and also you are the one who administers the stages in all the souls like Jagradavastha, Swapnavastha, Sushupti Avastha, and Turiya Avastha. It is like awakening state, dreaming state, deep slumber state, and completely enlightenment state. You are the one who administers all these states. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Chaturvyuhaya Namaha. Om Chaturvyuhaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Kausalya Mata is crying a lot. She is in so much piteous stage. Lakshmana is also crying with so much anger. Rama is looking at both of them. Now tells Lakshmana that, "Oh Lakshmana, you are also not realizing, not understanding my opinion, and you are not understanding my mind. You are also crying along with Kausalya Mata. That is troubling me a lot. That making me so much worried. Oh Lakshmana, we have to be doing any work by which the righteousness is going to be established. We have to be very careful in our activities. We should not be craving for mundane pleasures, luxuries. We should not be carrying out our activities only to gratify our desires. O Lakshmana, our father, Dasharatha Maharaju, is our guru. He is our king. He is elderly man. If we do not follow his orders, we will be left like most cruel children in the history. O Lakshmana, that is why I am resolving, I decided to follow our father's orders as it is." Like this, Ramachandra Swami very strongly conveys his message to Lakshmana and then turns towards Kausalya Mata and saying that, "Oh Amma, Kausalya Mata, you are the better half of Dasharatha Maharaju. You are the wife of Dasharatha Maharaju. It is not fair for you to come along with me to the forest. Oh Mata, please allow me to go to forest. by going against to the orders of my father Dasharatha Maharaju, I can never accept this kingdom and kingdom pleasures and authorities. I don't care this. Oh Mata, please allow me to go as soon as possible. Like that, Rama tells Kausalya Mata and again turns towards Lakshmana. By then Lakshmana, with so much of worry and angry, he is breathing heavily like a big serpent. Svesantamiva Nagendram. He is looking like big serpent and he is breathing like a big serpent. To such Lakshmana, now Rama says, Lakshmana, please don't get upset with our father and don't worry about me. Be strong, stay strong, and how much ever you showed your enthusiasm to make arrangements for my Pattabhishekam, with the same amount of enthusiasm, please make arrangements for my Vanavasam. Oh Lakshmana, our father should not be feeling that whatever the boons that he gave to Kaikamma is failing. No, he should not even get that kind of doubt in his mind even for a fraction of seconds. To that extent, we have to satisfy his readings in the mind. That is how we will become good children. Oh Lakshmana, please make arrangements for my Vanavasam and stop all the arrangements of this Pattabhishekam immediately, with immediate effect. Oh Lakshmana, our mother Kaikamma's mind should be stable. She should be feeling so happy, for which I have to leave as soon as possible. And realize that, Lakshmana, all this is being done, all this is happening only because of Daiva Sankalpam, Paramatma's will. Let us not accuse our Kaikamma at all. She likes me so much. She loves me so much. She would never ever think about to trouble me at all. All this is happening because of Paramatma's will. Like that, Ramachandra Swami strongly giving a wonderful tenets of dharma, righteousness to Mother Kausalya and brother Lakshmana Swami. After that, what happens? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 15th sloka. Lokadhyakshaha Suradhyaksho Dharmadhyakshaha Kruta Krutaha Chaturatma Chaturvyuhaha Chaturdamshtraha Chaturbhujaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Chaturvyuhaya Namaha. Om Chaturvyuhaya Namaha. ఓం చతుర్వ్యూహాయ నమః.